Tortilla soup!
Okay, so what do we have here?
Fresh cilantro, a lime, fresh avocados. In here we have two type of beans with shredded lemon chicken that was cooked previously, and mushroom and onions and garlic. The way to put the soup together is to put the beans and the shredded chicken in the bottom of your bowl. You will add the broth into your bowl, and then with the broth, lime, the avocado, and once you have added the avocado, the last part that goes in, the chips, and it's ready to be eaten. There you have your soup. You have a tortilla soup.
Junie, you want some tortilla soup?